All right, guys, so all we're going to do is convert what we call standard form, which is this setup, and make it look like a slope-intercept form, which is what's in the middle. All right, it's 2 steps, okay? First thing you have to do is you have to move the x number to the other side of the equal sign. So this one, just circle it, move it to the other side, but it has to become opposite. All right? So when it becomes opposite, that's going to be a plus 6x. All right. All right. And again, guys, I'm going to go in Spanish for some of these because I have my Spanish classes to worry about. So vas a agarrar la x número, este número con la x, la vas a mover al otro lado y la vas a cambiar al opuesto. So si es negativo, se va a cambiar positivo. All right, guys, let's look at the form. Mira la forma. We have y. So this one, the 3y, we're going to write it down. Going to write 3y equals, now we have the x number. So this is the x number, positive 6x. And the 12 is going to go last, positive 12. Okay, so nomás vamos a escribir en esta forma, la higuera está solo, luego el número con la x, y luego el número solo. All right, the second step, guys, is to go ahead and divide everything by whatever's in front of the y. That y number gets divided. Vale, vas a dividir con el número enfrente de la higuera. Higuera. I don't know how to say that word. So you guys cancel those out. Now you have the y's by itself. So right here, we're going to go ahead and put y equals 6 divided by 3. All right, that actually is going to be 2. And then 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. All right. From here, guys, you have your answers to your slope. The m, that's the number that's in the front of the x. So I have positive 2. And then right here, the 4, that's going to be the b number. It's positive. If it's a plus, it means it's positive 4. All right. Now, you guys, you're not going to have calculators for this part, so I'm going to go ahead and do the tables for you. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, if you have a calculator on your phone, good. I want to get that. So you want to go to y equals, and you want to type in this form. All right, that's why we don't like standard form. We want to go ahead and put this form. All right, now we're going to go where it says table, all right, because we want to get the table here. Second graph. And we're going to do from the negative 2 to the positive 2. Let me show you that. Negative 2 to positive 2. So it's going to be negative 2, 0, negative 1, 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, and then 2, 8. All right, like that. Now from here, guys, the only math we have to do is just find the pattern. Okay, vamos a encontrar cómo se está cambiando. All right, guys, how is this changing? 0, 2, 4, 6. It is actually increasing by 2. Se va para arriba 2 veces cada número. All right, that is actually going to be what we call delta y. All right, it's supposed to be shaded in a little bit. So the delta y is going to be positive 2. All right, this is just the formula. The delta x, the reason we say delta is because delta means change. How is this changing over here? So this one, on the x side, if you notice, if we keep going, it is actually in a plus 1. All right, this is plus 1 every time. Okay, so 2 divided by 1 is 2. So this should match this. All right, that means we're doing it right. We found the patterns. I rewind it so you can see how I did that again. Now from here, guys, you're just going to copy down. So this is the easy part. Everything on the bottom, you're just going to copy down from the table. So todas estas respuestas son en la tabla. Nomás la vas a copiar. So I have negative 2, 0, negative 1, 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 8. All right, you're just copying it down. And now remember, guys, the x numbers, if it's negative, it goes to the left. If it's positive, it goes to the right. So this one, 0 does not move. Okay, this is positive, it goes to the right. Positive goes to the right. Over here, guys, we have 0, that does not move. Ese no mueve. La 2 es positivo, se va para arriba. All right, guys, if you have positive over here, it goes up, and then negative goes down. So that's the way you're going to do it. Okay. So on este, you're going to go to the left 2, and then you're not going to move because it's 0. So left 2 units, and that's it. Put a dot. All right, right here, guys, you're going to go to the left. All right, 1, and then up 2. Left 1, up 2. All right, now right here, guys, it says 0, so you don't move. All right, you stay in the middle, but you have to go 4 units up. 0, 4. All right, 1 to the right, 6 up. 1, and then 6. And then 2 to the right, and 8 up. 2, and 8. Okay. So let's try to connect them, guys. Just get something straight. Just connect these. All right. And then this is the slope, the rise over run. So you start on this side, and you want to go all the way to this side. So if I'm over here, you're going to go up or down. Right here, you're going to go up from this point to this point, and then you're going to go to the right. So let me count. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. It's positive because you're going up. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 divided by 4. Put it in your cell phone, I guess. Puede usar el celular. And that's going to be 2. So that means that it matches. 2, 2, 2, 2. Good. All right. Now for the map part, on the map, not really worried about it. You're just going to mix these up. So let's put like -1, 0, 2, -2, +1. All right, just mix them up. And then these numbers, you're going to mix them up. So 4, 6, 2, 8, 0. This is the x side, and this is the f of x side right here. Okay? So from here, we're going to go ahead and just connect them. So the -2 goes to the 0. All right, -2, 0. Boom. All right. Next, -1 goes to 2. -1 goes to 2. 0 goes to 4. All right. 0 goes to the 4 this way. There you go. 1, 6, and then 2, 8. So 1 to the 6 up here. Oops, kind of messed up. And then 2 to the 8 right here. Okay. And you're done. All right, let me help you out with these guys. So you don't have the calculator. Let me see, which one of these? There's one that has negative. Yeah, let's try this one that has negatives, guys. All right. So remember, the first thing, everyone circle the x number, move it to the other side. It's going to be a positive 4x. Okay. But you have to follow this format. So this is a negative 2y. So negative 2y equals positive 4x, and let's say plus 4. Okay. Then from here, you divide by the -2. This one, it stays negative, guys. Don't change it opposite. That cancels out. We're going to have the y equals 4 divided by -2 is -2x. And then again, 4 divided by -2 is -2. Okay. So I'm going to put this in the calculator to give you the table. All right, so that way you can do the rest. Okay, so we have our answers. The slope is -2. That's the one in the front. The y-intercept is also a -2. That's okay if they're the same. Pueden ser igual. Okay, lo voy a poner en la calculadora porque no lo tienen. -2x minus 2. Second graph, right? And we're only going to do from -2 to +2. So we have -2, 2, -1, 0. Go ahead and write it down. 0, -2, 1, negative 4, 2, negative 6. All right. So see if you can find the pattern, guys. What is the pattern here? All right, they're getting smaller, so I know this is going to be a negative. Over here on this side, what is happening to the pattern over here? Well, this is always going to be +1. Este siempre va a ser +1 hoy, porque vamos a usar los mismos números. We're going to use the same numbers for all of them, guys. All right, so these are always going to be +1. You just have to figure out the pattern on this side. All right, delta y goes on the top. Delta x, that 1 is going to go on the bottom. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you these tables since you don't have the calculator. All right, I'll go ahead and write these tables down for you. Voy a poner estos tablas, and then from here, guys, you're just going to copy everything on the bottom. Nomás vas a copiar todo aquí en estos. All right. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. All right, you still have to convert it to the slope-intercept form, okay? I'm going to do this one. All right, there's that one, guys. There's the table. And remember, the delta x is always going to be +1. So 1 on the bottom, just figure out what's happening here. On the other side. And here's the table for the other side. All right. So go ahead, get it done. Now, you guys, if I'm not here on Monday, all right, there's another handout that you're going to get. So the other handout looks like this, and there's another YouTube video. All right, if you go back, it's going to say go to the YouTube video, and it's going to have Mondays. So this one, for Monday, it's going to be 10, 18, 21. This is the YouTube. Mr. S. Algebra 1 class. And look for that date. This is a front and back. All right, this one's front and back. All right, this video is easier. It's shorter. All right. If you don't get it, guys, if you're like in another, don't worry. I'm going to just check it on Tuesday and make sure you got everything. All right.